Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about views in SQL. So view is considered as a virtual table. That means it will not exist. Okay, it will not exist physically. So this virtual table is used to retrieve two or more tables. So here we'll use create, update, drop. These are the commands we'll use in views. So create is to create a view, SQL view of your choice. Update, we can modify the SQL view. Drop, if you want to drop that particular, that is, if you want to delete the entire view, you can delete by using drop. So now this SQL view is able to create single or multiple tables that we are going to see now. This is the example of the table. And this is the query syntax. Create view, view name as, select column name from table name, where condition. These four things you need to remember. Even in a single table, or it may be a multiple table. Now we are going to create view from single table. I have given here. Now first we will create a view. Create view, name of the view student detail as we see in table, and you have to select student ID and name from student detail, where student ID will be less than 4. Now what will happen? Now what will happen is, so student ID less than 4 is given. Now accept this value, all the three values and its ID name will be selected. Okay, so we are leaving this 4 because student ID will be less than 4. So this is about single table, and we will create multiple table. For creating multiple table, we have to merge the tables. How will merge the table? We have to give the name as, now this is student ID, student detail, and this is student marks. You have to merge this table and give it as marks, as I have given here. Just have a look here. I have merged the table and given it as marks view from student detail and student mark table, and this is the query we need to execute. So I've created a view marks view as, and have selected student detail dot name, student detail dot address. Why you are giving this dot is, we are having two tables. From two tables we need to retrieve the data. So here I am giving student detail dot name, student detail dot address, student marks dot marks. From student detail and student mark. Okay, the two tables should be mentioned here, where student detail dot name is student marks dot name. Okay, so there is a minor difference between single table and multiple table. That is, here I have given select student ID name because it's a single table, and coming to here I have given two tables, student detail dot name, student detail. I want the address and name from one table, and I want marks from the other table. So I have given like this. Okay, if you want even name, because name and ID will be identical here, and I want the name and address in this particular table, and I want marks from the student marks table. Okay, So you can see here address, and I want marks. Okay, now how to display a data in the view marks table. Same as DDL commands, we will display with select star from marks view, because as we have combined two tables, student detail and student marks. Now how to update a table, update a view. So for that there are some conditions. So these are the clauses. These clauses we will study in next video. What are the clauses and what are the join operations we will learn in the next video. Now we'll go with deleting a view. This updating is for modifying a view and this deleting is for delete a particular view. So for delete, common operation will be drop. Drop view marks view. Why I have drop marks view? Because I have multiple tables. I want to delete that multiple table. I'm using this drop. Okay students, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.